Alright, so it's a decent fall day. We're getting in between like mid 30s to upper 40s, so I'm trying to clean out my beds so that I can winterize them. And I really thought that my beds were done. They're not. So let me show you. This is what I have cleaned out. I mean, it's a little cleaned out, but this is what I found slash pulled. And then this is what I still have left of this bed. And I would like you to see all of the tomatoes that are still on here. And then because I have so many and because I'm worried that we will probably freeze in the next 10 to 15 days, some people said that, you hang your tomatoes upside down in the garage and then they'll ripen. Well, then I thought, vine ripen, sun ripen tomatoes. So what I've done, and somebody can comment and tell me if I'm wrong, I've been taking my bushes as I've cut them, and you see how they are. I mean, these are hundreds of pounds of tomatoes, and they're huge. I mean, they're massive. And I put them all along my fence. So hopefully, emphasis on hopefully, they will ripen, or at least start to yellow enough that I can bring them inside and know that they're going to be good. I guess otherwise we can do green tomatoes, but there's hundreds. I don't like green tomatoes to have it every day of every meal for the foreseeable future. So yeah, if you actually know what you're doing with regards to a garden, it would be super beneficial if someone could tell me whether or not I have just flubbed all of this up and wasted hundreds of pounds of tomatoes, or if there's a glimmer of hope that this can actually work. Yeah, any help, greatly appreciated.